They're calling it the mother of all deals. On January 27, 2026, India and the European Union finally ended nearly 2 decades of waiting to sign a historic free trade agreement. We're talking about a combined market worth $27 trillion. But this wasn't just a simple handshake, it was a strategic rescue mission in a world of rising trade wars. Today, I'm breaking down what's inside the deal and the secret legal battle that almost killed it. So, who wins? For India, it's a game-changer for labor-intensive sectors. Textiles, leather, and gems, which faced duties up to 12%, now get zero-duty access to Europe. This finally puts Indian exporters on a level playing field with Vietnam and Bangladesh. On the flip side, the EU just got a massive backdoor into India's middle class. India slashed import duties on premium European cars from a staggering 110% down to just 10% under a new quota. European wines, machinery, and even aircraft parts will now flood the Indian market with almost no barriers. But here's the thought analysis part you won't see in the headlines. Why did it take 19 years? In 2016, India unilaterally terminated its bilateral investment treaties with over 20 EU nations. Why? Because India was tired of being sued by foreign companies in international courts over tax disputes. This protection vacuum terrified European investors for a decade. The 2026 deal only worked because both sides agreed to a two-track approach. They signed the trade deal now, but left the messy investment protection rules for a separate, ongoing negotiation. It was a pragmatic choice to stop the deadlock. Why the rush to sign in 2026? Look at the map. With the US hitting global trade with heavy tariffs and the urgent need to de-risk from China, India and the EU realized they needed each other for survival. It's a marriage of convenience. Huge challenges like the EU's carbon tax still remain, but for now, the mother of all deals is officially real. Is India ready for this European wave, or is the competition too much? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.